Ilocos empanada, ano, tara. So guys, we're trying the famous Batak empanada here in Batak, Ilocos. We'll try ketchup. We'll try because okay lang, but okay lang. I'm not the one to go for ketchup. Oh my god.
Sinigang na empanada.
Pop. Friends. Pop. And another supa.
Na-discover yung suka sa
Jimbim. May jimbim pa.
Ito, that's it for Ilocos empanada. Sarap. The best pa rin talaga yung Ilocos empanada. Would recommend Glory's Empanadahan here in Batak, Ilocos Norte. So yun. Craving satisfied.
craving satisfied.
Craving solved.